Okay, so now we're going to do the synthetic division. This is the first long division problem that we did. I just rewrote everything right here. So you can just kind of compare the steps here with the steps here. It's very similar, but it's not the same. Okay. Now, before you do a synthetic division problem, you have to set it up, right? Everything that I've written here is just setting up the problem, right? We haven't started anything. Now, where did I get these numbers from? 6, negative 19, 6. They're these coefficients, right? 6, negative 19, 16, negative 4. So you write down the coefficients. Okay. You make a little square bracket to the left of that line. Okay. Where does that number come from? Right. When we divided x minus 2, that means you put a positive 2 in the bracket, right? Because the 2 is the 0, right? It's not negative 2 because this is x minus 2. It's positive 2 because 2 minus 2 is 0, right? So this is a 0. You don't have to write a positive. Just say 2. Right? 0, these are coefficients. Okay, then you draw yourself a line that leaves you a space to write in another row of numbers, and you bring down the first coefficient below the line. Okay, that's all just setting it up so you can start to do the problem. Right? There should never be a number here, right? That's a blank space. The 6 is below the line. Okay, now here's the process that we go through. Multiply 2 times 6. That's a multiply. What do you get? 12, and you put the result there. Okay, and now you add. Okay, negative 19 plus 12, negative 7. Okay, repeat the process. 2 times negative 7. Negative 14. Add. Is 2. One more time. 2 times 2 is 4. Put the answer there. Right? Add. 0. So when you do the synthetic division, the last number that you get is the remainder. Right? The numbers to the left of that are coefficients of a polynomial of 1 less degree than you started with. Right? You started with x to the third, so this must start with 6x squared. Right? So these are the coefficients of polynomial of 1 less degree. So this is 6x squared minus 7x plus 2. Okay? Yes? Quiet. They're going to give you this. I'll show you. We have a few more examples. You'll see. Okay. So let me